In this section, we will discuss inverse of a matrix. Using the property A square matrix is invertible if and only if it is non-singular. Now, first we will define the definition of singular and non-singular matrix. According to the definition of singular matrix, A square matrix A is said to be singular if determinant of A equal to 0. If determinant of A not equal to 0, we can say A square matrix is non-singular. You can see here some example. If determinant of A not equal to 0, we can say that A is non-singular. For example, A and B be any two square matrix, determinant of A equal to 0 and determinant of B not equal to 0. So A is a singular matrix and B is a non-singular matrix. Now we will discuss inverse of a matrix. The inverse of a non-singular matrix A is given by A inverse equal to adjoint of A upon determinant of A, where determinant of A not equal to 0. For any invertible square matrix A of order n, we have determinant of A inverse equal to 1 upon determinant of A. The inverse of the matrix whose elements are A, B, C, D is 1 upon AD minus BC into adjoint of matrix whose elements are D minus B minus C, A. We can change the diagonal elements of given matrix and multiply by minus in the elements A1, 2 and A21. For example, find A inverse of matrix A of order 2. First of all, find the determinant of given matrix. Determinant of A not equal to 0. We can say A is a non-singular matrix. So we can find inverse of given matrix. Second thing, find cofactor of given matrix. Cofactor of element A11 equal to 3, A21 equal to minus 5, A12 equal to minus 1, A22 equal to 2. We can find adjoint of a given matrix whose elements are 3, minus 5, minus 1 and 2. Then A inverse equal to adjoint of A upon determinant of A. Determinant of A equal to 1, so we can write here only adjoint of matrix A. Next example, find the inverse of matrix A of order 3. First of all, find determinant of given matrix that is not equal to 0. We can say that A is a non-singular matrix and hence it is invertible. Second thing, find adjoint of a matrix A. To find adjoint of A, first of all find cofactor and minor of a given matrix. We can find cofactor of all element A11 is cofactor of element A11 equal to minus 3. Cofactor of element A12 equal to 3. We can find all elements cofactor after simplification. We have adjoint of A in the form of A11, A21, A31. Similarly, we can substitute all the values of cofactor to find the matrix in the form of adjoint of A. To find inverse of A, we can write here adjoint of A upon determinant of A. Determinant of A equal to minus 3. So we can write here minus 1 by 3 multiply by adjoint of A. that is called inverse of a matrix A. Some property of invertible matrix we can discuss here. For two invertible square matrix A and B for which AB is defined, we have inverse of AB equal to inverse of A into inverse of B, or we can say here inverse of AB equal to inverse of B multiplied by inverse of A. Second property, for any invertible square matrix A we have inverse of transpose of A equal to transpose of A inverse. Second part of property second, inverse of A inverse equal to A. Third part, multiply of A inverse into A equal to I, where I is identity matrix, equal to A into A inverse. For any invertible square matrix A and non-zero scalar K, we have inverse of K into A equal to 1 upon K into A inverse. These properties are very important to find inverse of matrix A using determinant. For example, if A is a square matrix, then find A inverse by using A square minus 4A plus I equal to O, where O is zero matrix. We can simplify the given condition, multiply by A inverse on both sides. We get A inverse multiply by A into A. We can write A square equal to A into A. For A inverse into A plus A inverse into I equal to O. We know that A inverse into A equal to I. We can write here I into A minus A inverse A into I. We can write again A inverse I equal to O. I into A equal to A minus 4I A inverse equal to O. A inverse equal to 4I minus A. We can write here. We can remove here O matrix because O matrix is zero matrix. So we can write here only 4A minus A. Now we can substitute the values of identity matrix and value of A matrix. After simplification, A inverse equal to 2 minus 3 minus 1 and 2 are the elements of A inverse.